Hi mathematicians, so today we want to solve that equation 5 to the power x is equal to 1, and we are going to use two methods. The first method, we can call it method A. So we rewrite the equation to be 5x is equal to 1, but we want to apply the laws of indices. We know that any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number from whatever number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. For example, you can see that 1 to the power 0 gives us 1, 2 to the power 0 gives us 1, 3 to the power 0 gives us 1, 4 to the power 0 gives us 1, 5 to the power 0 gives us 1. This is where we are interested most for today, and then up to infinity. So we can consider this one. 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. We come back to our problem here. So if we are saying 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1, we can simply replace this one by 5 to the power 0. This implies that 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power 0. Because we are saying that 5 to the power 0 is equivalent to 1, so we are simply replacing 1 by 5 to the power 0. So now, since the bases are equal, this is 5, this is 5, we can simply equate powers. Because the bases are equal, x should be equal to 0. So we say x is equal to 0. This is our solution. If we want to check if x is equal to 0, we substitute 0 here in the original equation. If you put 0 here, 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we are happy with that one. So we have obtained that x is equal to 0. Let us try another method, which is method B. On method B, we are going to apply the natural logarithms. We're going to apply the natural logarithms. So repeating our equation, we have 5 to the power x is equal to 1. So we apply natural logarithms both sides. We have natural log of 5 to the power x is equal to natural log of 1. This is our first step. And then we know that from the laws of logarithms, natural log of p, p to the power n, natural log of p to the power n is equivalent to n natural log of p. Natural log of n, p to the power n is equals to n natural log of p. So we compare here. This is 5 natural log of 5 to the power x. We can compare it with natural log of p to the power n. Our n here is we can compare to n. Our 5 compares to p. So we can simply say that this is equivalent to x natural log of 5 is equals to natural log of 1 is 0. Natural log of 1 is 0. And because we know that e to the power 0 is equal to 1. And the natural log of e is equal to 1. Therefore, natural log of 1 is equal to 0. And then on this particular case, we can simply divide by natural log of 5. Divide by natural log of 5. Both sides. This cancels this. X is equal to 0 over natural log of 5. So x is equal to 0. So this, we get 0. For both the methods, we have obtained x is equal to 0. So this is how we can simplify, we can solve that particular equation. It's very easy. We need to apply indices, but there are certain questions where you cannot solve the equation by applying laws of indices. But instead, you need to apply method B. So I've decided to use both methods because when you come across different questions, you should be able to know which method properly fits for that particular question.